And the best part about my Acorns investment is the fact that I was able to earn over 13% in market gains in only 1 year. Hello, my beautiful subscribers. Welcome back to another financial segment. As you all know, I am Naoka Kelly Campbell of Fiscal LLC, and I just want to thank you for being a valued subscriber. But if you're not a part of our financial community, go ahead and subscribe now. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you are alerted whenever we upload our new financial tips. So, are you investing in anything? No, really. Are you putting your hard-earned income to good use? Are you building a better life for yourself and your family? Now, these are some questions that you really should be asking yourself. Like, I did ask myself these questions, and this basically led me in creating financial goals and strategies to execute my personal and family goals. So ask yourself these questions. So stop wasting time. People, listen. The finance and stock market out there, it's crazy. And there is enough investment available for everyone. So let me help you out just a little bit. You see, a few years ago, I was introduced to this investment app called Acorns. I was a bit skeptical at first because, of course, I was a novice just like you. But who said I couldn't understand the stock market and how it works? Well, guess what? You were wrong big time. Yes, it takes time, it takes research, it takes practice. But I understand it now. Kudos to me. So make sure to check out the description below for a link to get you started on your first investment or probably your next investment account. And remember, guys, give this video a thumbs up. If this was valuable information, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to become a part of our notification family. But just a disclaimer, guys, that I am not affiliated or being compensated by Acorns, and all the information that I provide in this video are my own views. So please make sure that you do your own research. So Acorns is an investment app for anyone that doesn't really understand how to trade on their own or even able to read an investment or stock chart. And of course, you are basically taking risks. But guess what? Life in general is risky. And the best part about my Acorns investment is the fact that I was able to earn over 13% in market gains in only 1 year. Plus my dividends, of course. Now, tell me which bank gives you such a high return on your savings. Go ahead, leave a comment. Let me know how much you are currently earning in interest on your regular savings. I really want to know because guess what? We all know it's ridiculously low. So I just want to get a bit personal. So as you can see, I am basically showing you my Acorns investment app and that it actually works. Currently, my Acorn value is a little bit over $5,000. But let's just take a look at that market return on my account. In just 1 year, I was able to gain over 13% interest, a little over $1,000 return on my account. Now, if this was a regular savings account at 0.02%, your return would be less than $2. Less than $2? No way! Yes, I am not exaggerating. I am serious, guys. Now, look at this greatness. In only 1 day, I was already earning 0.13%. And as you can see from the time lapse between 1 month compared to 3 months, compared to 6 months, I was still earning a high interest on my investment. And let's not forget that I also earned dividends on my investment, which was and is still being reinvested into my account. Have I convinced you enough to get started? Well, what are you waiting for? Click on that link below in the description and get started with an Acorns investment account. I promise this is a step to investing in yourself that you will not regret. So I'm sharing a lot of personal information with you guys. So here's my account value, which is broken down into several stock options, which are large, medium, and small stocks, as well as international stocks. But this is because my asset portfolio is an aggressive one. You see, when you sign up with Acorns, you'll be asked a series of questions to basically see how risky you are. You can be a conservative, a moderately conservative, moderately aggressive, or an aggressive investor based on your answers. Now, I do recommend that if you're just getting started into stocks and trading, start out small, either as a conservative or a moderate investor. And once you have gained the knowledge, on how this industry works, build your portfolio to a riskier one, because guess what? The riskier your portfolio is, the greater will the return on your investment. And of course, we do know that the market fluctuates, but remember, you are investing in your future for the long run. So stick with it. Stick with it. You can contribute to your account on a recurring basis, whether it's a daily, weekly, or monthly basis. And it's up to you how much you can afford to invest in yourself. You can also contribute using their roundups feature. And this is how it works. For every purchase you make, Acorn rounds your purchase to the nearest dollar, and they invest that roundup difference into your investment account. Another way in earning more money to your account is by making a purchase through their featured product links. And this is available in their app. So basically, once you have completed your purchase, they will invest a specific percentage of your purchase total into your account. And that's it, guys. It's simple. It's easy to use. They'll ask you a series of questions. Once you answer those questions, then you just go right ahead and contribute to your investment account. Simple. So I wouldn't be sharing this information if it didn't work. Now, I have been with Acorns for a couple of years now, and I have not regretted my decision since. I have also invested in the market using other investment apps, which I will definitely share in our other financial segments. And that's why I can't stress this enough. You have to become a valued subscriber. And please remember to hit that notification bell. Otherwise, you will be missing out on a lot of financial tips and secrets. So please, go ahead and subscribe now. And hit that bell. And please be kind to share this video with your family and friends. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you guys for watching.